Good morning, good morning, good morning, YouTube. Come with us today to my granddaughter cheerleading game. And you know what? And subscribe and like and hit that post notification button. Come on out. Yes, come on out with us. With the Mojica family on YouTube. Say on YouTube.
On YouTube.
Yay! What happened to your What happened to your game?
Nothing. That happened.
What happened?
You, Mama, leave me alone now. Like, dang, nobody else on to be recording your YouTube video. Dang.
I love you, Maliyah.
Now you do not.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Sassy mouth and everything.
Okay.
Maliyah,
What?
can you
if
show?
you want me, you want a bitch with an AT&T to give me a new phone.
Can you show people what you gonna cheer?
No.
You're not gonna show nobody your cheer?
No.
All right. Bye. I love you. Mr. Mojica.
What I gotta say?
Yeah, well, you had so much mouth when I was up in there with Maliyah. Now, what you had to say for the vlog?
That the light is blinding me.
Good. Yes. Now, why are you quiet now? You had so much to say.
Yeah.
Say it.
It wasn't me. It was Maliyah. It wasn't me.
Yeah. What y'all doing? What are y'all doing?
Mom, why you have to core everything? Come on, Maliyah. Hurry up to the bag.
Sorry.
Oh my God. Look at this.
Her practicing.
Her 10-year-old niece
I'm
is
not a 10. I'm 11.
doing her hair. Oh my God. Look at this. It's so cute. I said, ooh, look at Danielle. Ooh.
Mom, come on now.
Ooh. Hey, fellas,
Do this
she's
one.
single
Mom.
and ready to mingle.
So embarrassed.
All right. Good job. I like your technique, Maliyah. What hair school you went to?
No hair school.
Don't burn your auntie.
She has to do the top.
She's doing her auntie's hair. Ooh, she's doing a wonderful job.
That's it, Daya?
Yeah. Thank you.
Ooh, look
You
at
did.
her.
Good job.
She did a good job. Look at that hair laid. Nice and flat. You need to take that flat iron and flat it out.
I know. Sounds
Are doing messing up this room.
We're not messing up the room.
What are y'all doing?
We make a gum. With a flat iron. We make a gum.
Underneath the cabinet.
We make a gum. Mama, why you eat all the gum?
I ain't eat no gum.
No, with the circle.
What circle?
Circle gum. Yeah, the circle gum. The gums. Yeah. The bubble gum.
I don't have no bubble gum.
That is eat it.
Mm-hmm.
It was in here. Yeah, I ate it. And yeah, this in there. What was this in here? We just found that suitcase. Look. It look like.
Oh, excuse me. I hope you ain't hear that. Edit that out. What do you open your mouth for? And this is what Mr. Mojica is doing in here. Always on his phone. Here he comes. This is what we do.
What do you want, baby? Wow.
Say hey.
Hi.
What are you doing? Did you ever see somebody on their cell phone and watching TV at the same time?
Yeah.
I don't understand that.
Me neither.
What are you watching on your cell phone?
Friend couple, asking the couple they want to bang. And they think it's bang is the other one is bang the
Beth,
drink.
we should go.
Bang.
Millions of dollars worth
Somebody
of
tell you,
cocaine
bang,
fell
you wanna
from the
bang?
sky this morning in
Shut
Knoxville,
up.
Tennessee.
And when you say
More
bang,
this.
you take the drink out and you show her the drink.
I'm
Oh,
looking for my
bang.
daughter.
Forest is a dangerous place.
Hey, Henry, check it out. Something got in.
Oh, Mr. Mojica. Life of Mr. Mojica.
I got soup.
Everybody's doing something. I know the bed's not made. They just their little playroom.
The playroom.
Yeah. What y'all doing?
Cooking.
Cooking.
Pancakes and
Oh,
bubblegum.
and bubblegum.
And pancakes.
Okay, have fun.
And
What you gonna do?
sugar.
What you doing, McKinley?
Coloring.
Mama, have you see what she doing?
I'm not talking to you, Maliyah.
You don't got to talk to me. Lori.
Aiden, what you making?
Butterfly.
Butterfly? Why you doing on my paper towel, though? You don't know?
Mine's got a butterfly.
Who won the football game?
The other shoe.
Where you say, Maliyah?
Get out of my... You don't want to face time and break your camera.
I wish you would. I wish you would. You see what I deal with? This is not an easy family to deal with.
Me and McCoy's doing it.
Yeah. This one over here.
Get out of my face time and break your 3
What?
cameras that you got. You heard me.
You break it, and then that what I pay for every month is gonna go. Stop.
Don't put your face on CPS on you.
You got to pay my grandma's phone.
Yeah.
No, you shut up. You gotta pay for your hair extensions that you got up in your head.
And what you have up in your head?
My natural hair.
You
that's
gotta
what I
pay,
got.
for your nails and your hair.
First of all, my daddy paid for my nails and my hair while you over here talking.
So that sassy mouth Maliyah.
Happy mouth.
Always talking.
Always talking.
Yes, tell her.
Always talking. Always talking.
Alright, we're gonna see if I'm always talking when y'all get that bubble from daddy. Let's see if I'm always talking.
What?
You heard me.
No, I didn't. You mumbling.
I am
What
mumbling.
kind of cheer you was gonna do today, Maliyah?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Nope. That's why I'm doing my nails done today. And tomorrow I'm going to a brunch with my mama. She didn't even want to invite you.
I'm just so cool for that.
What is your...
No, mine. You is.
You better not hit on.
Any more questions about birthday party? Rita coming?
What you? Oh, what you tracing over there, McKinley?
Girl, that's ain't okay. Because when I have my
What
hotel
word is
party,
that?
for all girls, don't say nothing.
Rita. I'm going to rainbow.
You didn't make a doggy?
Yeah.
Woo! Look at there. She
So I was
doing
having
the
a hotel
doggy.
party for my birthday party. I was going to let you come because you're a girl. But never mind, you're not coming.
Look,
Since you
I'm
want to
making
not
the
coming to your
flowers.
stupid birthday party. I didn't want to go either way.
Oh, that's nice, Aiden. That's really nice.
Well, you got to make the butterfly.
Don't get no more of my paper towel, please. Get a paper. I got some notebooks.
This book. I don't want no book.
What?
Why are you so sassy now?
No, I did the back too. I did the back too.
You did the bag? All right.
It's all dry.
What do people do on a rainy day in Virginia? It's still raining. Yeah, the house next door caught on fire, so that's why they had a big trash bin on fire, so they remodeling the house inside. Yes, it's a rainy day. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Nothing. What are you coming down here for?
Maliyah. I'm gonna say Maliyah. Why is it not raining right here, bro?
Who knows?
Oh, cause your roof.
Yeah.
Cause that's why it's not raining right here.
Yeah, we're on the porch. So that's why it's not raining.
Right here. This is that. We can cook like applesauce, and we can stand up and we can sit on the chair right there. But don't get rid of it. And we can do push-ups. Right. Yeah. And I can sleep. Yeah, we can sleep like this, and we can do this. Or we can get this.
No, you ain't getting that wet. No.
Not getting the rain wet. So it can be. No one can sleep over there.
No.
I'm gonna do my exercise.
I gotta get them car wet.
2, 3.
What is that? Who put the flowers in there?
Me.
Look what they did. Why they put flowers in the nasty
Oh, why did that? It was a spider.
I know, it's nasty.
Mama, that's for the spider. Why did they do that?
Spiders need to go somewhere else. We are evacuating the spiders right now.
Spider need to go all the way down there. Yep. On the roof.
On the roof?
Yeah, all the way down on the roof. Can I do it? Can I hold it?
No, move back, little boy.
He's not a little boy.
Where is he?
A big boy.
Yeah, big boy? Yeah. Why y'all gotta always climb on stuff?
Mama!
What?
You always be me.
I'm always being mean.
No, her cooks. But her too good, but her cooks something. And her said her gonna take us to Mickey Mouse. What's that little? What you say?
What?
What you just say? Mama, you said you gotta go take us to Mickey Mouse. No. Mickey Mouse. Nuh-uh. Mama said you said you gotta take me to Mickey Mouse.
Your nose. Go right with your nose.
You said we gotta take like a mall.
Come here. Huh?
You remember you said you gotta take us like a mall?
What'd you say about Mickey Mouse, McKinley?
Yeah.
What about it?
Did you say you gotta take I want to go play with her. Did you say you gotta take like a hotel or a castle? Yeah, castle for Mickey Mouse. You said with no reason I'm not coming. Yeah.
Nah, I'm just joking. Really.
Hey, they got sauce right here. We're spring break. Can you take us in Danger Rail?
You had spring break. It's over. It's almost time to get out of school. Yeah.
Done with school, then you can take us in Dangerland with school. All the school is over.
We think about it.
Okay. Well, I can say we should.